Fluent English starts here, unless, as long as, provided. These words show conditions. One thing happens, but only if something else happens first. Let's start with unless. Unless means if not. For example, I won't go unless it stops raining. Means I will only go if it stops raining. We use unless to show that something won't happen without a certain condition. No studying, no passing. No invite, no coming. For example, you can't pass unless you study. Another example, she won't come unless you invite her. Now let's look at as long as. As long as means something is okay, but only if a condition is true. Like, you can stay out as long as you're careful. Be careful or it's not okay. You're saying, I agree, but only if the condition is met. It's like saying, I trust you but don't break the rule. For example, I will help you as long as you try. Another example, you can play as long as your homework is done. Now, let's talk about provided that. Provided that means the same as long as, but it's more formal. Use it when you want to sound more polite or serious. For example, you can join the trip provided that you finish your work. Let's review. Unless means if not. As long as means only if, in a friendly way. And provided that means the same thing, but it sounds more formal. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Try writing your own sentences in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe or follow for more English tips.